This is exactly the soil complexity. This is soil all the way down into the Linda Falls Canyon. This is what causes the waterfall and the cataracts and the pools. This is what it looks like. So, in most people's imagination, this is not agricultural ground. But here with dynamite and giant rock rippers and jackhammers and D10s and enough money, people can actually convert this into vineyard ground, and that's what's happening here. Is there a return on their investment? I don't know. But there certainly is a story they can put on their website about how they wrested the rock from the ground in order to plant their Cabernet. And that the remaining forest, because of the increased sunlight or dryness or vulnerability, makes that area that's left not so valuable to wildlife. They're not so inclined to use that area if there's all that rock pushed up to here and an 8-foot high wildlife exclusion fence. So our mitigations don't work. Thinking about it, they're trying to think about what might be a solution. We want to think about what's equitable. Mostly they're, as we get up a little higher, pretty tongue-tied when they see what is considered in our general plan as farmable ground. And I think they do realize that there are some places that the watershed function really does outweigh an agricultural potential. But changing the general plan by themselves is going to be scary because they'll get beat up from the wine industry. Diane has said in an email it has to be done by initiative. So, I mean, the answer is, if we get enough industry people up here and look at it, can we get them to agree that this should be watershed? That's the question.